Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to restore archive story in Instagram. So tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select the archive. And here your stories are saved. If you don't see your stories, tap the stories archive here. Go back. So to post it as an active story again, tap it and then tap it share and now click on your story. So it will appear to your followers for another 24 hours. Moreover, if you want to make it save to your phones, then click these three icons and click to the save photos, and this will be saved to your photo gallery. So this way you can easily restore archive story in Instagram. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.